Day 2, 24 hours later, we're going to put the second coating on it. We want a breathable liquid damp proofing paint. The reason we're using breathable because the water does still get in, gives it that chance to evaporate. And don't let that mould, thinking it can have a party with all its pals down here. No mate, it's ending today. We've had enough of you, you're going, right? Also, we've put some blackjack, it's a tar-like substance, on top of the gully roof. So it's powder rainwater, think it can go sit down there and just seep in. No, you ain't either. It's going to repel that too. So we're going to have a real other crack at it today. We're going to stop this mould. Please like and subscribe. My name is Brian Joe. Thank you. Just get it everywhere, mate. Cake it, proper cake it everywhere. It's not that pretty. Making it do the job, making it work, use this expanding foam for this big hole up here. Pump it in, mate. Pump it so it comes out. Lovely. Then we'll break it off and we'll paint over that as well. Right, now we're going to put blackjack in this corner here. This is where the problem is, that bit around here. Because the gully works, so it's just this, sits there and it goes underneath. Right, that's the second coat on it. Right, blackjack on the floor, breathable damp proofing paint on the wall.